Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden, and we're in our backyard and it's day 48 on Sunday.
Wow, 48 days.
48 days.
Wow.
We were just talking and wondering how many more videos we think we'll be making. We have no idea. We may be going to 100.
Yep, we don't know. Who knows how long quarantine's gonna last?
We don't know.
Yep.
But for now, we're having fun.
We're glad to still be with you, and we hope we're inspiring and giving you guys ideas to do different garden projects in your garden.
So today, we are not showing you a project, but we're showing you some mail we got recently, and we're gonna unbox these on camera for you and show you what we got.
Yep, we got a surprise in the mail. So guys, we're ambassadors for All American Selections, and what that means is we got some plants sent to us from All American Selections, and there's different plants that we're gonna place in our garden to see how they do out here and then report back and give updates on their progress and how they do out in our garden.
So we get to share them on our social media accounts. We have Instagram, we're obviously on YouTube. Maybe we'll show these in a video coming up soon. But yeah, we'll report on their progress, how they're growing, when they bloom.
We're gonna be ambassadors for these plants, for you guys.
So you guys ready to see what we got?
You guys wanna see?
Here we go.
Okay.
There's
All right.
info on their website, aaswinners.com, and you can find any of these plants online and check out their growth needs and growing habits and where to buy them.
They have really good pictures on there so you can identify and see what they look like.
Okay, we have to admit, we actually did sort of peek in here already because we couldn't wait, but we're really excited to show you what we found because the way they shipped these are really cool,
Yeah,
actually.
it's interesting, you guys. So look at that.
Look how cool that is.
Isn't that cool, you guys? So they come pre-packaged like this, and watch this. Isn't that great?
Look how cool that is. We have all these little plants.
Yes.
So we have two of these plants, Gypsophilia gypsy, white improved. Apparently it's an improvement on another Gypsophilia gypsy plant. And they have these beautiful little white flowers. So two of those are, it's a compact shrub.
And we read online, because the information didn't come with it, that it's great for container growing.
Yeah, that's gonna be awesome.
So next here we have two tomato plants, and they're both the same. Tomato Early Resilience F1. So this will be cool. We'll get these in some, maybe get these in one of our raised beds out front and see how it does.
That'll be great. So number two.
Number two. There we go. Cool.
This is awesome. So these are gorgeous. These are coleus, Main Street, Beale Street coleus. I always am sad that coleus is just an annual, but
in our zone.
yeah, they're so beautiful. Look at that color.
Now some coleus might overwinter in your area, and we're not sure exactly what is going to happen with these because we're not familiar with this specific coleus. So it could overwinter here. We don't know. It might need some protection. We're going to find out.
Yeah. The leaves have kind of a velvety texture and they're just, oh, the color is just beautiful. So we have two of those.
So this next guy over here, this is an echinacea.
Yay!
I know, we love echinacea.
We love echinacea.
Echinacea sombrero Baja Burgundy.
We looked this up online and bright red echinacea flowers.
Yeah, this is going to be beautiful, you guys.
Beautiful.
This is a Rudbeckia American Gold Rush. So
Nice little black-eyed Susan.
Yep, black-eyed Susan, everybody.
Love
so that'll be
those.
fun. Woohoo!
So two drought-tolerant plants. That's awesome.
Yep. And so you guys can't see it from your standpoint, but all these plants are really healthy. They're gonna do great here.
They're gonna do awesome.
We're anticipating them doing awesome.
All right, one more.
One more to go. Okay, so.
Well, we'll start here. We have another tomato plant, Tomato Solano.
There's another tomato plant. This one is an interesting one, Tomato Apple Yellow. So Allison found this online. What was the website, honey?
aaswinners.com.
Okay, so this is All America Winners. And this tomato actually looks like an apple.
Oh, they're cute. They're little. They're little yellow.
Yeah, they're little yellow apples. They actually look like an apple. It's the darndest thing. So
Those are
pretty
going to
cool.
be really fun to grow. We also have a pepper plant, pepper roulette. So we're not sure what that type of pepper will look like.
And we haven't found that on the website yet. Ooh, it's the potato. We have a potato plant.
Potato Clancy.
Yeah, so again, the information for culture on this didn't come, so we're gonna look it up online and we'll figure it out. So this is fun. Look at all this, you guys.
Look at all these projects we have now.
Yeah.
So you guys will be with us when we plant some of these in various parts of our yard.
So guys, that's all we have for you today. Another day of the Quarantine Gardeners gone by, and we're glad you're here. We hope you're all doing well and safe. Stay positive, stay busy out in the garden. You know we are, and you're following along. We really appreciate that. And so leave your comments down below, and especially if you have any questions, give us the thumbs up so we know we're doing a good job. And definitely subscribe, hit that subscribe button so you can get updates on all the different projects and videos we have coming up.
And we'll see you tomorrow. We'll be back with another video, day 49. See you tomorrow, everybody.
See you guys. Bye-bye.